Got the bottle of cachaça hanging about, picking up dust in the cupboards, and it's a hot summer's day and you're tired of caipirinhas. Well, step into my office because I have a drink for you today. It's a Batida Rosa. This one's a bit of a tongue twister for me, but it sounds like it's named after some yacht you borrow off like a wealthy family friend. Get a bit drunk, smash it in some rocks, and end up having to explain it to them the next day. Or it could be a racehorse of some kind. Let's move on to the history of this drink. Batidas are kind of a class of cocktails. They're Brazilian. They're often made with cachaça, fruit juices, and often things like condensed milk and coconut water. This one's a little bit different as it actually traces its roots to America and Jeffrey Morgenthaler. Now Morgenthaler's a bit of a modern legend I find in the cocktail sort of game. He makes some really good drinks. But this one's a little bit sort of different and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So let's move on to the ingredients. Got cachaça, has some sort of grassy notes. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but I'm going to give this drink a try because it looks really good. And we've got Grenadine, the old red blood as I call it, fresh pineapple juice, fresh lemon juice, and some soda water. And I pronounce Batida, so don't take the piss. On this one, I've tweaked the specs a little bit, but that's to suit my taste. The original is a great drink. There's just some slight changes to syrups which used. So we're going to kick this one off by adding 2 ounces, a 60 ml cachaça to our shaker. Then we're going to follow up with 3/4 of an ounce, that's 22.5 ml Grenadine. Morgenthaler's original recipe, he uses like a little bit more of a high standard Grenadine. No offence to this company I'm using. And then he tops it up with 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. So you've got one of those other brands like highball and Co or something like that, or homemade more importantly, go with it. And that's something I will look at some point in the channel. So I'm going to follow this up with 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of our fresh pineapple juice. Then we're going to see if we can get enough juice out of this lemon. So we're going to use in 1 ounces, that's 30 ml. It's a bit of a sorry looking one to be honest with you. And add ice, we want to shake this around 10 to 13 seconds. Then we want to double strain this into a rocks glass filled with ice. Not looking too bad, not looking too bad. And then top up with around 2 ounces, that's 30 ml of soda water. Now what I like to do and add some soda water, I just give it a really gentle stir like this. Let those ingredients mingle a bit. Before I garnish, we're going to go with a pineapple slice. Just should fit in here nicely. And then we're going to go with 2 pineapple leaves. The taste test. Now I think I deserve this because I didn't have a drink last night and I had to watch England play football. In fairness, Ghana played well, but it's frustrating stuff and I could have had a million drinks last night. So I'm looking forward to this. It's quite interesting. It's not exactly terrible, it's quite fruity. Like the last drink I made previously this week. I'm a bit surprised I can't really taste the cachaça full on with it all. Has some very slightly kind of grassy vibes to it all. Lemons there, pineapple disappears a little bit. But let's be honest with you, it's a really hot day. Something like this is perfect. Yeah, very fruit forward. I think not a bad drink, not a bad drink. So I'm going to give this like a respectable 7.3 out of 10. I think I could have a few more of these tonight quite easily.